Hey, welcome to Paigefamily Homestead. Today we're making potato pancakes, or whatever, whatever, on Frugal Friday from tomorrow on a day farm, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Tracy,
yes.
and Michael.
A collage with that. Frugal Friday. Frugal Friday.
On a Saturday.
On a Saturday. Okay, I've got my pan warming up right now. So we're going to fry up some bacon. Crispy. We have to have it crispy because when we take it out we're going to crumble it. Like a crumble. Okay.
So gonna crisp it
You know
up.
how hot that pan is? Wow.
When you cook
amazing.
it, when you cook it crisp, we'll be back.
Yes, when I cook it crisp, we will return.
And it's 5 strips.
5 strips.
Okay. Oh, I hear it.
You hear it?
I hear it.
Okay. Non-whisk band tool here at my disposal. So I've got some onions cooking.
Well, what were you doing there?
Oh, beating the egg.
How many?
There's 2 eggs in there.
Yeah. They're not here. You got to tell them.
Oh, right. Sorry. Okay, so I got some onions cooking here. Right? See, multi-purpose tool, man. Jeez. Okay. You couldn't do that with a whisk, right? So we're gonna cook up some sausage. It's for breakfast, right? So this will be good. Oh yeah.
One is cut.
One is cut. One isn't. Peg likes hers cut and then open flat and cooked like that. She likes that. I don't. I like mine like that. So the bacon is coming. It's not quite crispy, but I want it crispy so I can crumble it all up. But it's getting there. I tell you, it's getting there. And you want to use that grease that's in here. The bacon grease.
Yeah.
That is perfect. See, that's the way it should all be. Right there.
It's really, this element is really messed.
This stove is messed. Like
Yeah.
it heats like I can.
It's hotter in the middle of the pan. Really hot.
Yeah, it is. Yes.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, this is on only level 2, and it actually burns. Okay, so
if you're doing this potato pancake, you got to make sure you use mashed potatoes from the night before or the day before, whatever. But make sure there's no butter, no eggs, or nothing. It's just potatoes, because we're going to add that stuff to it as well. Otherwise, you're going to have a great big creamy mess. And I'm not cleaning that. But okay, so this bacon's coming pretty good.
are you going to make your potato now?
I am. I certainly am. And we'll keep the bacon, what do you call it, the pan hot with the grease in there. But I will turn it down just a wee bit.
Bring you back.
Yeah, I'll bring you right back. So right now I'm just going to wash my hands.
Hey, there's soap right to the left of you.
And there's good soap right there to the right. Soap to the left. Soap to the right. I don't know where I'm going here. Anyway, so I'm going to wash my hands before I put the potatoes in the bowl. I don't want to touch anything. There's your hands. Nice and clean, I think.
Please.
Okay, so should always have this around. So now we're going to put this into the. Oh, look at that! Just came right out of there like crazy.
So 4 cups mashed.
Yep, 4 cups. Whew. Nice taters. Potatoes. Okay, now where's my sticks? Oh, there. And then we're going to add half a teaspoon of onion powder. There we go. And half teaspoon of salt. I'm going to get that lid off. Pink Himalayan salt. Better for you.
Even better is your fake salt.
Well, yes. But not everybody likes fake salt. Oh, God. I can't get it out. Too deep. Good. There we go. Half a teaspoon. There. And half a teaspoon of pepper. Should we put cayenne pepper? No. No, not cayenne pepper.
Yum.
There we go. So, there we go. And then we're going to put in 2 eggs well beaten. Oh. Okay, there we go. 2 eggs well beaten. And then,
Your cheese, you're done.
yep, half a cup of cheese.
And all these ingredients are interchangeable.
Yeah, you don't have to. Yeah.
Whatever you got on hand.
Yeah.
It's going to make it
It's
taste
frugal, right?
interesting.
Okay.
You're going to get in there and...
I'm getting in here.
Okay.
Oh. Oh.
Mix that all up, and then you're going to turn
Okay.
turn it into...
Mush.
Yeah.
Into a pancake. Nice and cheesy pancake. Oh yes. Look at that. Take a look at that.
Yeah, it's mashed potato with egg, salt, pepper, and 2 eggs.
See? Told you.
Bring you back when he's got his patties
Yep.
done.
Okay, so the bacon's done. I'm just going to break this up and put it all in there. Oh, look at that. And I got to mush them all in there again, just like before. And then I'm going to make 8 patties, all the same size. And we're going to fry them up. And I'll bring you back when that's done. Okay, so patties are done. Oh, that one broke. It'll fix itself. I need that spatula city. My spatula. It helps with these things. See how much easier that is? Now, when you put these in, you leave them for 4 minutes.
I'll set the timer for you.
Sure.
And we'll be back for the flip. Look
Yep.
at that. Smells
4
so
minutes.
good. Don't they look nice?
You can get anything you want at Andy's restaurant. You can get anything you want at Andy's restaurant. Walk right in, sit right down. Just about a mile from railroad tracks, I say. You can get anything you want at Andy's restaurant.
1 minute.
Yep, 1 minute.
They smell so good. I love when you make these.
Tater, tater, tater pancakes. 39 seconds, folks, till we flip them.
And then the
4
left,
more
like we
minutes.
won't eat 8.
Pardon
We're
me?
not gonna have 8. I'll probably have 1. You might
Yeah.
have 2. We'll just wrap
We'll
the
see.
rest of
We'll
them.
freeze them.
Yeah, for another day. Maybe
For
a
another
side.
Frugal Friday.
Maybe for a side for another dinner,
Yeah.
or with a salad and something, right?
Or the smoked chicken on the grill.
Is that coming?
That's coming, yes. Whole chicken.
Uh.
Smoked on my new smoker. One of my new smokers. smokers. So,
Okay, time to flip them babies.
flip them babies! That's a game show, isn't it? Flip them babies. Here we go. Oh, that one didn't go too good. Okay. That one went better. Excuse me.
Got your back.
Look how crispy they are. Oh yeah!
4 minutes, we'll be back.
Okay, so they're done.
Oh, they're nice.
Look
baby.
at that.
Very nice.
Beautiful. Now you can have them a little longer if you wanted. Like if you like it really crispy. Hot, 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 hot. The frying pan's hot.
I think we
Okay.
need to buy some silicone pan handles.
Yeah, we do. A panhandler.
That's a big one.
That's a big one. So anyway, you could have it a little crispier if you want. Like this, it's all up to everybody's, you know, what you like.
Personal preference.
Like if you don't have bacon, throw bologna in there.
Ew!
I know. But you don't have to just use bacon. You know, it's frugal. What you have, it's potatoes, pancake. Put some onion in it. You could. You know, that'd be good. Wow. I never thought about that. Anyway, if you like this video.
No, we're gonna plate it up.
We're gonna plate it up. I'll bring you right back when I get it plated up. Okay, we're back. Here's what it looks like. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. You can get anything you want at Andy's restaurant. Remember that, folks? I want to thank Tomorrow and the Day Farms for having Frugal Friday. It's been a lot of fun, too.
On a Saturday.
On a Saturday, so there's no pressure.
Open collaboration for
Yeah.
all channels, frugal meals, just throw them in, hashtag Frugal Friday.
Okay. So if you like this meal, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, oh, come on, subscribe. And then hit that notification bell. Ding, 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 ding. Come on. You can do it. I know you can.
I want to see you try
I'm
it.
going to try it. Okay. Oh, look at that.
Cheesy
You can see
bacon.
the cheese and the bacon. Oh, my God. Oh, wow. Really good. The bacon goes flavor right through it.
Now I know why we want them all the time.
Very good. Very good. Really good. Like I always say, it's important to have some fruit or tomatoes or something on the side of your plate.
Fruit.
Tomato and some fruit.
And a veg.
And what?
And a veg.
And a veg.